Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Daily English Speaking Practice. I hope you are all doing well today.
Hello, my dear learners. I'm Amma, and I'm here to help you speak English easily and confidently.
And I'm Jack. In today's lesson, we are going to talk about a very important topic.
Yes, Jack. Today's topic is talk about your daily routine in English.
This topic is very useful because we talk about our day every single day.
Exactly. When someone asks you, "How is your day?" or "What do you do every day?" you should know how to answer in English.
Don't worry if you are a beginner.
Yes, don't worry at all. We will speak slowly, clearly, and use very simple English.
So relax, listen carefully, and repeat with us.
Jack, let me ask you something.
Sure, Amma, go ahead.
What time do you usually wake up in the morning?
I usually wake up at 6:30 a.m. on weekdays.
That's quite early.
Yes, I don't like waking up early, but my work starts early.
That's a very common sentence. Listen carefully, everyone. I don't like waking up early, but my work starts early.
After I wake up, the first thing I do is get out of bed.
Good. So you can say, "First, I get out of bed."
Then I go to the bathroom.
And what do you do in the bathroom, Jack?
I brush my teeth and wash my face.
Very good. These are daily actions. Everyone does this.
Yes, after washing my face, I feel more awake.
That's a great sentence. I feel more awake after washing my face.
After that, I go to the kitchen.
And let me guess, you make coffee.
Yes, I make a cup of coffee.
Many people love coffee in the morning.
While the coffee is brewing, I check my phone.
That's very modern English. While the coffee is brewing, I check my phone.
I look at my messages and emails.
Do you check social media too?
Sometimes, but only for a few minutes.
Good habit. After that, what do you do?
Then I get dressed.
What kind of clothes do you wear?
I usually wear simple clothes for work.
You can say, "I don't wear fancy clothes every day."
Yes, comfort is important.
Do you eat breakfast at home?
Yes, I do.
What do you usually eat?
My breakfast is usually toast with butter and eggs.
That sounds simple and healthy. Sometimes I also eat fruit.
Very good sentence. Sometimes I also eat fruit.
I drink my coffee with breakfast.
Breakfast gives us energy for the day.
At 7:30 a.m., I leave my house to go to work.
How do you go to work?
I take the bus.
That's very common.
The bus ride is about 30 minutes.
What do you do on the bus?
I usually listen to music or an English podcast.
That's perfect for learning English.
Yes, listening every day really helps.
What time do you arrive at work?
I arrive at work around 8 a.m.
And what do you do first?
First, I check my emails.
That's very common office English.
Then I start my daily tasks.
What kind of work do you do?
I work on my computer for many hours.
Many people work on computers these days.
Yes, I sit at my desk and focus on my work.
What time do you have lunch?
I have lunch at 12:30 p.m.
Do you bring lunch from home?
Yes, I usually bring my lunch.
What do you bring?
A sandwich or sometimes rice and vegetables.
Do you eat alone?
No, I eat with my coworkers.
That's nice.
We talk, laugh, and relax during lunch.
Lunchtime is a good break.
After lunch, I continue to work.
Do you have meetings?
Yes, sometimes I have meetings in the afternoon.
Meetings are part of many jobs.
By the afternoon, I feel a little tired,
That's normal.
but I drink water and stay focused.
Very good habit.
My workday usually finishes in the late afternoon. Jack, you said your workday continues in the afternoon.
Yes, Amma. After lunch, I go back to my desk.
That's a very common sentence. After lunch, I go back to my desk.
I check my tasks again and continue working.
Do you feel tired in the afternoon?
Yes, sometimes I feel tired after lunch.
Many people feel the same.
When I feel tired, I take a short break.
Very good. I take a short break.
I drink water and stretch a little.
That's healthy.
Sometimes I stand up and walk for a few minutes.
That helps your body and your mind. Jack, do you have meetings in the afternoon?
Yes, sometimes I have meetings.
Are they long meetings?
Sometimes they are short and sometimes they are long.
That's real life English.
In meetings, we talk about work, plans, and problems.
So you can say, we discuss our work and plans.
Yes. After the meeting, I go back to my work.
What time does your workday finish?
My workday usually finishes at 5 p.m.
That's a good time.
Yes, when work finishes, I feel relaxed.
Everyone loves finishing work.
Before leaving, I check my emails one last time.
Very good habit.
Then I pack my bag and get ready to leave.
You can say, I get ready to leave work. How do you go back home?
I take the bus again.
Is the bus crowded in the evening?
Yes, sometimes it is crowded.
That's a useful sentence. The bus is crowded in the evening.
On the bus, I feel tired but happy
Why happy?
because work is finished.
That makes sense.
I usually listen to music on the bus.
Music helps you relax. What time do you arrive home?
I usually arrive home around 6 p.m.
What do you do first when you get home?
First, I change my clothes.
Into comfortable clothes?
Yes, very comfortable clothes.
That's very common.
Then I sit down and relax.
Good sentence. I sit down and relax.
After work, I like to rest for a while.
What do you do to relax?
Sometimes I watch TV,
What kind of TV shows?
news, dramas, or English videos.
Watching English videos is very good for learning.
Yes, it helps me improve my listening.
Sometimes resting is important. Do you drink tea in the evening?
Yes, I often drink tea in the evening,
With snacks?
sometimes with biscuits or fruit.
Very simple English. I drink tea and eat snacks.
Yes, it gives me energy.
Jack, do you help with housework?
Yes, I do.
What kind of housework?
I clean my room and organize my things.
That's good.
Sometimes I wash the dishes.
Not everyone likes washing dishes.
True, but it is part of daily life.
Very important line. It is part of daily life. Do you exercise in the evening?
Yes, sometimes I do.
What kind of exercise?
I go for a walk.
Walking is very good for health.
Yes, I walk for 20 or 30 minutes.
You can say, I go for a walk in the evening. Sometimes I listen to music while walking. Now let's talk about dinner.
Sure. What time do you have dinner?
I usually have dinner around 7:30 p.m.
Do you cook your dinner?
Yes, sometimes I cook.
What do you cook?
Simple food, like rice, vegetables, or chicken.
That's good.
Sometimes I order food if I'm very tired.
That's also common. Do you eat alone or with family?
I usually eat with my family.
That's very nice.
We sit together and talk.
Family time is important.
Yes, we talk about our day.
Very useful sentence. We talk about our day.
What do you do after dinner?
After dinner, I wash the dishes.
Good responsibility.
Then I relax again.
Relaxing twice a day is okay.
Yes, evening relaxation is important.
What do you do in the evening?
In the evening, I like to watch a movie.
Do you watch movies every day?
No, not every day.
That's realistic.
Sometimes I read a book.
Reading is a very good habit.
Sometimes I practice English.
That's excellent.
I listen to English conversations.
How long do you practice English?
I practice English for 20 to 30 minutes.
That's perfect for beginners.
I don't study too much.
Little practice every day is better.
Yes, daily practice is the key.
Now let's talk about before bed.
Okay, what do you do before sleeping?
Before sleeping, I take a shower.
That helps you feel fresh.
Yes, and relaxed.
After that?
I wear my night clothes.
Simple sentence. I wear my night clothes.
Then I go to bed.
What time do you go to bed?
I usually go to bed around 10:30 p.m.
Do you sleep quickly?
Sometimes yes, sometimes no.
That's honest. I try to sleep early
Why is sleep important?
because sleep gives us energy.
Exactly. Jack, your daily routine is very normal.
Yes, it is a typical day.
And that's good for learners.
Yes, because everyone can relate.
Dear learners, listen carefully.
You don't need a special life to speak English.
You just talk about your daily life.
Amma, we talked about almost the full day.
Yes, but we still need to help learners speak confidently.
That's right.
Jack, why is it important to talk about our daily routine in English?
Because people often ask simple questions like, what do you do every day? How is your day? What is your routine?
Exactly.
And daily routine uses basic English, not difficult words.
Yes, simple verbs and time expressions.
That's why beginners should start from daily routine.
Jack, now please tell your full day again, slowly.
Okay, Amma. Dear learners, listen carefully. I wake up at 6:30 a.m. First, I get out of bed.
Good.
Then I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth and wash my face.
Very clear.
After that, I go to the kitchen. I make a cup of coffee.
Nice.
While the coffee is brewing, I check my phone.
Modern English. Very good.
Then I get dressed. I wear simple clothes.
Good.
I eat breakfast at home. My breakfast is simple.
Perfect.
At 7:30 a.m., I leave my house. I go to work by bus.
Very natural English.
I arrive at work around 8 a.m. I check my emails and start my work.
Good.
I work on my computer for many hours.
Yes.
At 12:30 p.m., I have lunch. I eat with my coworkers.
Nice.
After lunch, I continue working. Sometimes I have meetings.
Excellent.
My work finishes at 5 p.m.
Good.
I go back home by bus. I arrive home around 6 p.m.
Clear.
When I get home, I change my clothes and relax.
Yes.
In the evening, I drink tea, rest, or go for a walk.
Very good.
I have dinner around 7:30 p.m. I eat with my family.
Nice habit.
After dinner, I wash the dishes. Responsibility. At night, I watch TV, read a book, or practice English.
Excellent.
Before bed, I take a shower. I go to bed around 10:30 p.m.
Perfect routine. Dear learners, now it's your turn.
You don't need to copy Jack's routine.
You only need to talk about your own life.
Use simple sentences.
Listen to this pattern carefully. I wake up at, I go to, I eat, I work, I come home, I go to bed at.
This pattern is enough for beginners.
Jack, give a very simple example.
Sure. I wake up at 7 a.m. I go to work. I eat lunch at 1 p.m. I come home in the evening. I sleep at 11 p.m.
That's perfect for beginners.
Yes, simple English is good English.
Now let's revise some very common verbs.
Repeat in your mind. Wake up. Get up. Brush teeth. Wash face. Eat breakfast. Go to work. Have lunch. Finish work. Go home. Relax. Have dinner. Sleep.
These verbs are used every day.
Time is very important.
Yes,
Listen carefully. In the morning. In the afternoon. In the evening. At night.
and exact time. At 6 a.m., at 12 p.m., at 5 p.m., at 10 p.m.
Now we will practice questions.
Listen first. Jack, what time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6:30 a.m.
What do you do in the morning?
I brush my teeth, wash my face, and eat breakfast.
What do you do in the evening?
I relax and spend time with my family.
What time do you sleep?
I sleep at 10:30 p.m.
Dear learners, remember one thing.
Your routine can be different.
Maybe you wake up late.
Maybe you work at night.
That's okay.
English is flexible.
Jack, what mistakes should beginners avoid?
Don't use difficult words.
Good.
Don't worry about perfect grammar.
Yes.
Don't stay silent.
Speaking is more important than perfection.
Here is a very important tip.
Practice speaking every day.
Even 10 minutes is enough.
Speak in front of a mirror.
Or record your voice.
Talk about your daily routine. Dear learners, don't feel shy.
Everyone starts as a beginner.
Mistakes are normal.
Confidence comes with practice.
Your English will improve day by day.
Today we learned how to talk about daily routine.
Morning, afternoon, evening, and night.
Simple verbs.
Simple sentences.
Real-life English.
This is the end of our lesson.
Thank you for listening to Daily English Speaking Practice.
If you like this lesson, listen again.
Repeat the sentences.
Practice every day.
And never give up.
We believe in you.
See you in the next lesson.
Keep learning.
Keep speaking.
Bye-bye.